Hey there, everybody. I wanted to show you a journal that I made in 2013, almost 10 years ago, 9 years ago right now. This was my very, very first art journal, and I'm not sure that I think I've shared it maybe several years ago, but not recently. As I kind of call my journals and planners and that sort of thing, I've never been able to let go of this one because it's just my very, very first. So I wanted to show this to you today. The butterfly is a burned butterfly project. This is a Jenny Belly project, as the cover is Jenny Belly as well. I think she called this her squished cover, I think. It has 6 signatures in it. I added some sparkle to it. It's painted. It looks old and grungy because that is exactly the way I wanted it to look. I wanted it to look like something that was aged. I did a little bit of cold clay here. You can see that it is, it's cogs and gears, kind of steampunkish, which I really do like. So I thought we would flip through this art journal today just for the super fun of it. I can also see dates here. Like this is 2/24/13. I can tell you that at this time I was working as a shampoo girl at 54. That's probably a conversation for another day. But it was not where I wanted to be at that point in my life. So I did a double page spread called The Artist is Blue. I did some sketching, face sketching, and then added art glass, which was also a class from Jenny Belly. I like the way the pocket is here. So I just used a corner, one of those corner things, and a small envelope, and just created a pocket. And this is some personal writing right here. This one says Art Therapy. This is from my friend Sarah. This is a Jenny Belly button, handmade button. And this is Jenny Belly as well. This is some of her cutouts that she did a long, long time ago. Again, we've got it right here too. It is the supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge. And that is a quote from Einstein. And I've got, you guys know Jenny Belly. She's really inspired so many of us. Big, big, big time. Treasures are hidden in the mud of the subconscious. Dig them up, even if you get your hands dirty. This is a dream. I dreamed I was looking down a square staircase, but as I looked down, I was climbing up at the top where there was a restroom. And then I have the symbols of the dream listed right here. If you have a dream about a restroom, you're setting yourself free. I thought that's interesting, isn't it? More dream imagery here. I dreamed I found 2 brown puppies playing in the rain in a muddy field. I used to track my dreams. I had extremely vivid dreams for years and years. I don't dream like that anymore. I don't even know what to attribute that to. Every evening, every night, I dreamed some sort of prophetic dream. It's really very interesting. This is when I turned in my resignation at my shampoo girl job. And these are all the sweet notes that I got from the ladies there. They were such a great group of people to work with. I've got tatting right here. And these are metal rings. This says create. read, learn, sleep, study, dream, explore, laughter, joy, nature, stability, balance, all the things that I wanted to do that. Fantasy, relaxing, create. 3/02/2013. This is my friend Sierra, who got married, and she's not married anymore, but that's okay. This is a art journal, memory journal, right? This was December 31st of 2012, so coming up on 10 years for this page. And this was a page about aspiration. I intend to be detached, centered, patient, self-aware. Your future depends on undoing your past. I always liked this little ensemble right here. I like this girl. Do not allow the behavior, responsibility, finances, bad attitudes, troubles, impossibility, trials, past, unhappiness, ungratefulness, inflexibility of others to destroy your inner peace. One of probably my very favorite things that I've ever done, and this was definitely a Jenny Belly tutorial. I want to wonder, and these are some sketches that I did. You are here. It's always been a huge dream to have a lake home. That has not happened. So this is 10 years gone that there's been no progress on that front. And I'm talking about making no progress in this little piece of my journal. This is something by my friend Peggy. I'll have to read this, and she's such a talented author, poet, singer. She can kind of do it all. You tell me your dreams, I'll tell you mine. The world you desire can be won. It exists, it is real, it is possible, it is yours. A bit of sheet music, Rock of Ages. Beauty is a light in the heart. Beauty is not in the face. Be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. The Dalai Lama. You can see these pages are super thick. And I was really into layering. I really think the pages, y'all, I made them with... At that time, I was using a lot of paper bags, so I think that is what this page material is. She's a creepy little Stepford ghoul with dark magic and anger issues. 12/26/2012. My boyfriend bought me a Frankie Stein doll. I love her. This was something someone gave me. This is about vacationing and getting away and voyaging. I like the way this turned out as well. I did just a red laminate sheet over this page. I've got some private journaling here. I think this probably was, oh, this was a night out. Galaxy Diner, Carytown Cupcakes. Don't let someone dim your light simply because it's shining in their eyes. This was about being really depressed. And the way this worked was, I think, oh yeah, okay, so this came off, and there was writing on the other side of this, but I was so ashamed of my writing. I just kind of sealed it all back together to kind of sweep it under the carpet. Frustration, anxiety, hopelessness, anger, fear, sadness, stress. That's how I was feeling. Today I wrote directly in my art journal. I think I had been a little bit afraid of writing in my art journal. And that day I finally kind of conquered that fear. The words you speak become the house you live in. A pretty butterfly. And this is me when I was 3. And though she be but little, she be fierce. And for you guys who don't know, I'm 5 feet tall and I weigh 100 pounds. Soaking wet. This is, I think this is when I was a booking agent. So I worked with a band called Soul Driven Train. And this was part of their itinerary. This is the bus that they traveled in. And these are some of my booking notes for that band. And these are articles that were written about Soul Driven Train. Now, the band's still together. They are amazing. They're from Charleston, South Carolina. I made some tags. Another sketch. Another sketch here. I think there's journaling under there. I can look at this and I can just really see the very beginning of my art journal journey. There were so many things that I was willing to try. I was willing to try anything at all. This is from a trip to my sister's house down in Atlanta. We ate at Brandy's world famous hot dogs in Marietta. We bought cupcakes. My sister went to Italy and bought me a set of wax seals. So pretty. More places that we went. This is Henry's, downtown in Ackworth. Just was at Henry's 2 weeks ago. This is Cinderella. This vintage lace right here. An artist cannot speak about his art any more than a plant can discuss horticulture. I really like the way that the marbled paper background adapted to what I put onto that marbled background. These are 3D books. This is a 3D books. The spines of books. You can see it here. I did a really big canvas of this technique, which I really enjoyed, and I gave it to my niece, who is a huge reader. There is no frigate like a book. I think that's Jane Austen. It's really super cool because you can really see the 3D. I had such fun doing this page. Life does not need to be perfect to be wonderful, and I've got some hidden journaling under there. These were really quick sketches that I was doing sitting on the sofa downstairs. I was really having fun with that. Into our world a baby came, so gentle, sweet, and small. Now in our hearts A Savior reigns as King and Lord of all. Some angels. And blank pages. And then this was 12, 25, 13. Stay calm and have a cuppa. I like the way these things all nest together. Make life sweet. Again, you know, these cutouts that I nested together. Fun. All right, guys, I thought you would just like a look at my 2013 handmade art journal. Very much inspired by Jenny Belly. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope this inspires you to not so much look back, but begin. Begin your journal today. Cobble something together. I have a lot of videos about how to make a journal, and just start. It's almost a new year. Great time to have a new beginning. Thanks for hanging out with me, y'all. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.